So, as you can see, I have a very tiny canvas today because I'd like to practice. I have a different idea that I'd like to try out, practice some layering techniques and see if it gives me some results that I'm looking for. So, as you can see, I have my black and my white from Artist Loft. Well, they have water and Floetrol, no silicone, and my colors have also Floetrol and water, but they all have silicone. So here from Politec, I've got some beautiful metallic purple, some metallic aqua, and from Folk Art, I've got some nice color shift here, some aqua flash and purple flash. So I'm going to be doing on my small canvas, like I said, a white background and mostly blowing with a straw. So hoping for some results, some nice webbing is what I'm going for. So cross my fingers. So this was a really good learning experience for me. I did get some webbing, maybe not as much as I would have liked. I think that the colors turned out really bright and spectacular. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!